All right, we're here working, or I'm going to be working on a 1967 Ferrari 350. Um, Here's the problem, okay? We've got a crease right there, okay? One problem is near the edge of the body line, okay? And two, it's a crease. But the main thing, here we go. The main thing is the inside, okay? Totally open, not a problem, right? Well, check it out. Look at the texture behind the panel. All this right here, hard. It's like crusted mud. Very hard to pinpoint. And this is the area I'm gonna have to push. Very, very tough. I have to also watch out for these little wires too. I don't want to be pushing leverage on these wires. It could be very, very expensive. Use the old school little motor right there to roll up and down the window. Having electric windows back then, a 1967 car was like high tech back then. Well, so we'll see how it comes out. See if I'm gonna get my butt kicked or not. Ay ay ay. All right, so I've got my door panel stable. So when I push, you see my door jammer right there. I've got my door jammer locked on here because I can't take my rope pulley ratchet or pulley, and I can't hook it to here because there's no leverage right there, and there's nothing you can hook on the side. So what I did is I put my vice grips on with a little hook around it, hook that on, put it right here, and tighten it up, and now it's perfectly stable. This door is not going to move, and that's how I'm really keeping this door pretty steady. Alright, so what I'm going to do is go right here and work up. So let's see what happens. Like I said, it's got a lot of backing behind this panel. And plus, it's got crease right here, which makes it even more difficult. And with Ferrari and this pristine of a paint job or paint repair, I don't know if this is a factor or not, but there is no orange peel. And when there's no orange peel, you can't make mistakes. Oh, it's really, really tight. If you guys are wondering what tool I'm using right now, I'm actually using this tool right here. And some people say, well, that's too sharp of a tool. Hey, more one way to skin a cat. But also, again, as I've mentioned, there's really thick backing behind there. Really thick. So I need a sharp tool to break through that. If I use too soft of a tip, all I'm going to do is I'm going to thin it up, but I'm not going to be able to pinpoint what I'm trying to push out. Between experience and knowing how hard to push, it should come out okay. I'm going to start to move now. Try and go for this last bit up here. Ugh. Okay, it looks like we're pretty much. Looks like I'm pretty much. Okay, it looks like I'm just about done right here. Just touching up the little tiny areas. I'm telling you, that backing up there is just tremendous. Very, very hard. It's like pushing against the Rocky Mountains. But I think this will work. So, bada bing. Natural reflection. Okay, came up pretty good.